Holly McKhann Realtor with an incredibly priced listing, single family home in Mission Viejo for only $1,149,000. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,600 square feet on a 6,000 square foot lot. An incredible value if you're looking for a single family home. Sometimes you can only get a condo or townhome for this price, but here you get your own home. Let's take a look through the whole home and take a look at the details. As you enter the home, you are first in the living room. It's got soaring vaulted ceilings, recessed lights, and a large fan to keep you cool on those hot summer days. It's got a cozy fireplace and a little built-in bookcase and plenty of room for relaxing. The kitchen is spacious and it has vaulted ceilings with can lights also and plenty of room for an eat-in table. It also features a brand new stove and a newer dishwasher in the black stainless steel finish that's so popular today. The home has plenty of cabinet storage space, brand new quartz countertops, stainless steel single bowl sink, and a brand new black faucet to top it all off. Just past the kitchen is this room that could be used as a playroom, an extra family room, or in this case we have it staged as a dining room. Very spacious, light bright, and the vaulted ceilings continue. Both bathrooms have been beautifully remodeled in the latest designs and finishes. They're in that black and white with a gorgeous oak-colored vanity. The primary suite has been extended and is huge. Right now we're showing this area as a possible little work area. It's next to your closet. And then also with this extension, you get an extra sliding glass door, extra light in, and it's a beautiful primary suite. This home is just a few short minutes away from the 5 freeway to make for easy commuting. It's also close to the shops at Mission Viejo, which is a mall with dining, shopping, and entertainment. Additionally, if you like the outdoors, you'll love the access to Lake Mission Viejo that you get with this home. There's paddle boarding, paddle boating, boat rentals, clubhouse, beach club, concerts, events, and more. It's a fabulous recreational opportunity. So if you're interested in this house, contact me at the info below for your private tour today. It is not going to last long.